Grade 9. Oh, I'm dying. So this is a question on geometry of straight lines. This one. So let us read the question. In the diagram below, ABC is a straight line. So they're telling us that ABC is a straight line. Calculate the size of angle X. So they are looking for X. Now, geometry of straight lines. The moment they tell you that you have a straight line, and you can see that there are lines that intersect this straight line, and when those lines do that, they form different angles around there. And for this instance, we have X, we have 75, we have 55. So the property that we're gonna use here to find the X is angles on a straight line. As you can see, on this straight line, there are angles that are formed. And we said that, let's say we have X, angle X, Y, Z, and then this property says when I add X plus Y plus Z, I'm gonna have to get what? 180 degrees. What does that mean? The sum of these angles on a straight line, they are supplementary. They are equal to 180. This is exactly the property that I'm gonna use. Since this is geometry, I have to say statement, remember, and reason. We did this in grade 8. This is a grade 8 question. It's easy. It's a grade 8 question, but you need to know it. All I want you to know, or all I want you to do grade 8, grade 9, do not lose these marks. Please, do not lose these marks. It's a simple question. You're only given one property here, which is angles on a straight line. So don't lose such marks. Unless a diagram is complicated, yeah, you are susceptible maybe to losing marks. But with this one, it's easy. Remember in grade 8, go back and watch the video that I posted on YouTube again for grade 8. Go through these type of questions. I did so many properties for paper 2. Go through those properties and then build towards grade 9. But yeah, so what do? We added these things, these angles that are on the straight line, and then we said they're equal to 180. That is exactly your statement. So I'm going to start with X plus 75 degrees plus 55 degrees. I'm not going to call these angles, but you can do that. Let me show you. You can do that. Let us do it that way so that you don't say, Mr. Ngobese didn't teach me this and that and this. So as you can see, grade 9, this is B1, this is B2, this is B3. So we're gonna say angle B1 plus angle B2 plus angle B3 is equal to 180 degrees. That is your first statement, and your reason is these are angles on a straight line. Then you are done. Simple, straightforward, simple English. We just don't finish the words. And this is a symbol for angles. Right. So what is our B1? B1 is equal to X, is equivalent to X, plus what is B2 is 75 degrees, plus what is B3 is 55 degrees, which is all equal to 180, because all these angles, they are supplementary. And we say supplementary is equal to 180. Means that those angles, they sum up to 180. I'm still following so far. We did this thing in grade 8. Now, this is only algebra. We are solving for X. So we're going to make X the subject of the formula is equal to, I'm moving all these numbers to the other numbers. And then the other numbers are on the right. So 75 and 55 needs to go to the other side. On the right, I already have 180 degrees. Please follow me very slowly. 180 on the right, I need to bring 75 and 55. Remember, I'm removing them from the variable. I'm leaving variables alone and taking numbers to one side. Variables to the left, numbers to the right. 75 on the left is positive. Taking it to the right is going to be negative 75 degrees. I'm still following so far. Right. 55 again is positive, is on the left. I need to move it to the right. It's positive, it's going to be negative the moment it jumps the equal sign. Cool. Right. Now, we have done a very important job. And you call all this additive inverse. Once we transpose these values, the numbers to the right, we applied additive inverse. Just that we're in grade 9 now, we don't have to say plus 75 minus 75 and then we're gonna minus 75 on the other side again. We don't do that now. Now we just take this number to the other side, we change the sign. That is additive inverse. Right. So now I have the variables to the left, I have numbers to the right. All I need to do now is do what? I am simplifying. What I will do, because I don't have a calculator, I'm going to say 180 degrees. What is minus 75 minus 55? Signs are the same. I'm going to take a dominating sign. 70 plus 50, that is 120 plus 10, 130. Ooh. I hope I did that correctly, but if I did not, you're gonna rectify it because you have a calculator, I don't. Now, x is equal to, now I can calculate what is x. 100 minus 100, right, is 0. 80 minus 80, I see a 50 there. So our x value is equal to 50. The value of x is equal to 50. Right. Now, you need to check again if this is correct. When I add 55 plus 75 plus 50, I must get 180. 180. Remember, that is what we said. All these angles, they are equal to 180. All these angles, they are equal to 180. Right. 50 plus 50 is 100, 105 plus 75, that is 180. So this is a correct answer. Right. So you will get your mark definitely for your statement around here. You're going to get your mark for your reason. You're going to get your mark for the final answer. Sometimes it's 4 marks, so you'll get all your marks. Please don't lose such marks. Some people, they will do everything correctly here, and then they're going to mess up the algebra. Please don't do that. So this is the property of angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Please don't mess that up. Thank you so much. Okay, again, they also say these are angles on a line. I don't know why they do that, but that is another reason. It's fine. We're going to accept it. But I just wanted to clarify that.